teach you how to bake cookies. And after that, we are going to classify if there's physical and chemical change happen. So what are you waiting for? Let's start!
The ingredients: butter, white sugar, brown sugar, chocolate chips, vanilla, baking soda, salt, egg, and flour. First, put the butter, white sugar, and brown sugar in bowl and mix them. After that, put some egg, vanilla, salt, and baking soda. Then, put the flour. Once they are completely mixed, we are now ready to put the chocolate chips. After mixing, we can now prepare our cookies in our baking tray. Cookies are perfect with milk.
Ta-da! And here's our finished product.
Let us now identify if there's physical change happen when we are baking cookies. First physical change is when we added chocolate chips to the butter. Second is when we are molding the butter by using an ice cream scooper. The butter doesn't change at all except for its shape, so it is a physical change. Third is when we are dipping the cookies into the milk. Dipping it doesn't produce any chemical reaction, so it is still classified as physical change. Lastly is when we are breaking the baked cookies into half. It's the same cookies that we baked and it only changes in size. Now for identifying the chemical change, number 1 is when we are mixing all the ingredients. It is chemical change because it produces new product, which is the butter. Second is when we are now baking the cookies. The butter absorbs heat coming from the oven and it produces new product, which is a cookie. Next is when we are making a milk. Just like the other example, mixing powdered milk, sugar, and hot water produces a new substance. Last but not the least is when we are eating the cookies. It is chemical change since after eating them, it will create a reaction that will be processed inside our stomach known as digestion. It is the process of turning the food that we eat as a waste.
This is the end of our video for today. Hoping that you learned something. Don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe. Bye! Thank you for watching.